Close your eyes and take a deep breath. You aren't here by accident. Right now, your soulmate is feeling an overwhelming pull towards your energy. The silence between you is becoming unbearable for them. They are looking at their phone, typing and deleting, trying to find the words to confess how much they truly need you. By the end of this meditation, that message will be sent. If you are ready to receive a heartfelt, life-changing confession today, type, "My soulmate speaks to me now," in the comments to claim this energy and lock it into the physical reality. Now imagine a golden thread connecting your heart directly to theirs. No matter the distance, this thread is pulsing with light. Feel their presence. They are realizing that no one else compares to you. The distractions are fading away, and all they can see is your face. They feel a sudden, urgent need to tell you the truth. Now repeat after me silently in your mind or out loud. My soulmate is overcome with an urge to text me their deepest feelings right now. Every word they type is infused with permanent, soul-deep loyalty. They are confessing that I am the only one who has ever truly understood them. The vibration of my phone is a signal of our divine union manifesting. They are deleting everyone else to make me their ultimate and only priority. Their text is a heartfelt promise of a lifetime together. I am worthy of this deep, honest, and instant communication. Now feel the shift in the air. The energy has moved from wanting to having. You can almost hear the ping of the notification. The anxiety of how or when is gone, replaced by a warm, settled knowing. They aren't just sending a text, they are sending a piece of their soul. Feel the relief wash over you. It is done. As you slowly return to the room, keep this high vibration close to your heart. And if you want to collapse time and manifest your soulmate even faster, visit my website, joybyjanell.com. I have created specialized tools to help you step into your union today. Your soulmate is ready. Are you? Like this video if you felt the shift, and I will see you in the next powerful meditation. Stay in the joy.